Wonderfuls. This camping trick sounds super simple because it is, but it's so helpful. It makes camping a lot better. It's just a super easy checklist, and I'll show you what I put on mine, and you take a screenshot and modify it to suit you. But I'm telling you, it helps so much when you're trying to get everything out the door and just get on the road. With a bonus trick at the end that I use every time I leave my house. I figured since I do make a checklist or several hundred post-it notes every time I go camping or traveling or doing anything really, I would make a reusable one for the camper van. I'm just using a dollar store chalkboard and some vinyl. I had considered using a whiteboard and maybe some metallic markers, and then there's always a pencil and paper. Just don't underestimate the value of a checklist. The main thing is to have something to reference so that everything's taken care of before you hit the road, and then you can enjoy your trip without forgetting anything behind. Bonus tip, before I leave my house, pretty much any time, whether it's for the day or the weekend, as I'm locking the door, I say out loud, whatever day it is. Wednesday, door's locked. And then I remember. Did we lock the house? Yes. We forgot the family.